Have a day everyone! I'm Roda Simon and welcome to Chika Roda. Michael Diaz and Megan Young explain the changes in their relationship while in quarantine. Michael Diaz and Megan Young shared through their podcast the changes that they have noticed in their relationship in the last 12 months. The Kapuso couple explained from their perspective as husband and wife. Megan stated that with this quarantine, they have improved the way they communicate with one another. I can say that we are able to communicate better nowadays. It has been a struggle for me to be open about my observations, about my feelings, but it's something that I've been really trying to practice throughout the past year. She continued by sharing that she also noticed Michael's effort when it comes to interacting with her. She said, from Fofos, Michael, and naman, he tries to look at not just from his point of view, but also from my point of view. Tinitignan niya rin from both sides now. We both adjusted to each other and ourselves na rin. We're able to communicate our thoughts better. With these changes, Megan said they have improved by telling how they truly feel as husband and wife. I think we're able to communicate them in way na walang nasasaktan. That's very objective so that we can better improve ourselves. Michael explained his observation on how they communicate as a couple now. He said, I agree with Bonnie, Megan. Surprisingly, I think I learned to communicate better with Bonnie by not communicating with her. The Kapuso actor mentioned that he knows Megan's personality well by now, and because of that, he has learned how to interact with his wife. I learned to communicate with Bonnie by not talking as much because we've been together for 10 years. I needed to have confidence in knowing that Bonnie knew what she has to work on instead of constantly reminding her, which could turn into nagging Bonnie. Michael also revealed the changes in Megan when it comes to communicating. I'm happy to say and I'm happy to report that she has been doing her thing, of course. A little nudge here and there never hurt anybody. For the most part, I think taking a step back has improved our communication because she would communicate with me through her actions now and would see it. Michael also admitted that even without saying anything, he knows what his wife is trying to articulate. Even without words said, I am like, oh, okay. She's doing her job. I am going to do my job right now. Thanks for watching. Keep safe everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa aking mga latest chika.